Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X60 GT with classic straight screen design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED display with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1200 by 2664 pixels, approximately 93.30% screen-to-body ratio, 19.982. 9 aspect ratio, approximately 435 ppi pixel density, 5000 nits peak brightness, HDR color quality. Support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with aluminosilicate glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 9.0 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.2 GHz single-core Cortex X2 Plus, 2.75 GHz tri-core Cortex A710 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161 by 74.2 by 7.7 mm, and it weights around 193 grams, and the color options: titanium shadow silver, phantom night black, titanium shadow blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6300 mAh battery with 80-watt wired superfast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, 5514 square millimeters 3D natural circulation VC cooling system support, IP65 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X60 GT has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,399 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X60 GT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.